before attending the program, my stage fear was very, very high. Even in the team meeting, I could not speak well. But right now, after the program, I'm able to speak very well.
Wherever you are and wherever you want to be, the distance, the bridge is communication. Welcome to Communication Breakthrough.
Social media is good for live updates from top IRs. Perfection is killer and experience is success.
We teach the art and science of communication in a very unique way. We use games, activities and exercises to teach you the art and science of communication.
இப்போ சோஷியல் மீடியா யூஸ் பண்றது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உலகத்துல இருக்க எல்லாருமே யூஸ் பண்றாங்க. அதை
கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோ டவுன் பண்ணலாம். Yeah, I understand. The thing is தமிழ்னால little faster பேசிட்டீங்க.
Learn to express to impress people quickly at Communication Breakthrough.
In this story, there are two friends living in a village, person A and person B.
Person A have YouTube channel, person B also YouTube channel.
Doors will open if you are confident, you are courageous.
How many are ready for the game? Say I!
Another participant from our academy, he joined our academy almost 2 months back and he has been learning communication. We have 3 days public speaking workshop. Plus we have 31 days of practice where they come, learn etiquettes, manners, from basically handshake lende interview eppadi face pandrathu. He is helping his father in his own business, wanted to learn how to communicate with people. Earlier his father will say varuma pesave maata, if any client comes he will go and sit in the side. Ipo eppadi irukku நான் இப்போ வந்து எல்லாரும் பேசுறேன். இப்போ clients நான் தான் handle பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Teachers, this is his first ever performance. You can be very, very competent, but if you lack confidence and if you lack courage, what's the use? Just roll over.
What is life? Life is a beautiful journey between birth to death.
This story is about a miser. Miser is who himself being selfish.
Communication is a currency that is the most used today. If you are confident, if you are courageous, if you are bold, people will open doors for you.
Two people, A and B, they both planned to go for a pottery workshop. And they went to the pottery workshop and they both had different mindsets. And time. Please don't touch your puzzles. If anybody seen touching the puzzle will get disqualified.
The journey was really amazing. It was playful, it was fun. I learned everything through games, activities and exercises. A big shout out to my amazing coaches, Sachin Coach, Coach. They helped me grow both personally and professionally. And one of my biggest moments was performing in front of 75 teachers. And I have never been on stage, and this time I practiced for 4 days straight. And on the day of my performance, I performed really great.
Communication can make you or even break you. Join us at Communication Breakthrough.
This part is the mother part of T puzzle and you should place it in center with 45-degree angle.
Social media, good or bad? All the people using social media.
Everybody please keep your puzzles aside and don't touch them.
Communication is not about what you say. It's about how you say.
Social media, we can message us, it is good and also bad.
What is mine? And like this. Okay. You are having a good smile that you continue to have. Okay.
But இப்பெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா mic holding அது ப்ராப்பரா இல்ல, அது ஹோல்ட் இல்ல, because that shows some nervousness. So ஏனா எப்படி ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா you were holding like this.
If you want to impact, influence and increase your income, join Communication Breakthrough.
Before joining Superhumans, my confidence level on communication was very average. I can give it to 4 to 5 out of 10. After attending this Communication Breakthrough program, my confidence level has risen up to 9.
In Communication Breakthrough, you will learn the science of communication. That is body language, tonality and also the words.
Everyone say hi! Everyone please bring the arm forward. Coach, please give me the answer.
Whenever you deliver your point, have a tonality in your voice.
He keep on practicing. Action changes everything. Perfection is a killer and action is a winner.
Social media is good or bad? Social media is here, how you use it.
Social media is good or bad?
So do like this. Social media, give me this. Social media, good or bad?
Social media is good or bad?
Nice. Bold and confident, just like this beautiful flower standing out of everything. You want to stand out? Communication Breakthrough is just for you.
You all know the artificial intelligence currently in all.
First thing is your knee level and your shoulder level has to be straight.
The number one skill that you can learn today is how to influence and pursue people quickly. The number one purpose of communication is able to convince people. And if you learn that, life is going to be easy, whether personally or professionally.
Yeah, stand. Keep your legs flat. Yes, nice.
Sir has given me the topic India in the 21st century.
Sachin did really well and help you out.
Thank you.
I and life are friends. Life was telling to me that practice was more important than perfection.
Learn how to express to impress people. Quickly add communication breakthrough.
வாய் விட்டு சிரித்தால் நோய் விட்டு போகும். First thing is the way he stand, the way he hold the mic was everything was great. எல்லாமே நல்லா இருந்துச்சு.
Today and yesterday, the both day actually my age also reduced around 10 years.
Communication Breakthrough is a 3-day workshop. The day one is called as Day of Fun, where we use games, activities and exercises to teach you art and science of communication. Day 2 is all about training. You go on the stage 6 times and your one-on-one coach will help you to become much more confident, will teach you the choice of right words, body language, tonality and become confident on the stage. Day 3 is the day of becoming free. It's the day of transformation where you get rid of fear forever. You break all barriers. You let go of all your limitations and become a powerful presenter and a confident communicator. Doors are open. Call this number now for registration. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games. Activities and exercises. Teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life.